So the question is, should warm-ups be taught in a particular order? And the ones that I've created are called ELA 3 a day, and they're doing sentence combining, test prep, questions, and then a quick write every day. So the answer is yes and no. Yes, in that the sentence combining portion of it absolutely needs to be taught in order because it builds as it goes throughout the year, and it's intentional that way. And every part of my program builds intentionally. So the skills that they're taught in the workshop, they go in a certain order for a reason. The essays that I teach each year, they go in a certain order because it's all building to like this final symphony in which they can pull it all together and be like, oh my gosh, look at all the growth I've made. So in the warm-ups, in the sentence combining, it comes with one of these. And so you'll be able to see what's coming next. But this is the 8th grade one. And 7th and 8th grade, I did add in there some options to do a compound complex sentence because that shows up in the 7th grade standards. So it's starting out at the beginning of the year, very boring with compound sentences the first 2 months. And they are starting with simple sentences. And then I pull back a little bit and now you have fragments, turn that into a compound. So they're totally comfortable with doing compound sentences. We move into complex, same thing. So it's like 4 months of just getting to perfection with compound and complex. And then you can move into, for 7th and 8th, move into adding in the compound complex option. And then we kind of repeat the whole thing, except this time it's pulling back even more. Now I'm giving them just a clause, or now I'm giving them just a topic, and they have to do it. So by the end of the year, the prompt is just, here's a topic, popcorn or whatever. And now you choose, you're going to write a compound complex or compound complex sentence. How many times can I say that? So they're choosing. So now they know, they can identify what type of sentence it is, and they can write that type of sentence. So the middle parts, like the test prep and quick write, they can kind of go in whatever order you would want to. But I highly, highly suggest that you teach warm-ups from beginning to end in the format that I have it laid out. Thanks for the question.